Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Ria Picaday, 45 years old, married with 4 children, two sons and 2 daughters. I live in Mandanan, Isabela, and I took up my college at St. Mary's University with junior secretarial course, and also caregiving course, ma'am, with basic nursing skills.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
None, sir, but I have local experience here in the Philippines. I do housemaid, sir, since 2016 to 2024, sir. My duties there is to take care of the 2 little kids, do tutors, do their assignments, helping reading in books, most especially in English, ma'am, and identifying numbers and identifying letters. If I finish my assignment to the children, I do household chores, cleaning, washing, ironing, like organizing the things that are needed for every day.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure the safety of the children, sir. If they are sick, I always check their temperature, and if it's not okay, I will call in my employer.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking, loyal, trustworthy, and honest.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, sir, because I want to provide the needs of my kids and my family.
Okay, if you get hard, who will take care of the children?
My husband and my parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work, and I will always remind myself that I need this job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m., sir, as my work done, and wake up as early as 5 a.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will stay calm and with dealing with them.
Okay. When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid by employer?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And if I will extend if needed, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir. But I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my pot. When the water boiling, hear me shout. Get me up and pour me down.
Okay. Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am and sir. If I will be given a chance to be hired with you, I'll promise to take care of your family, and I will do my very best.